You want to do a big bouncy blowout, but you don't really know where to start. Blowouts are very intimidating. You've tried to do a blowout before, but you haven't gotten the volume that you wanted. You're just overwhelmed. You don't know what to do. You know what you want, but you don't know how to get there. I got you. I personally did not used to be able to do a blowout to save my life. I'm also the type of person who likes things quickly. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do a blowout, how to make it last, and how to do it quickly. Beginner friendly, easy. Let's get into it. First and foremost, your shampoo is going to make or break your blowout. I personally have fine hair and it's kind of on the thin side, and I have color treated hair. So I use the Redken Volume Injection shampoo and conditioner. This shampoo is safe enough for color treated hair. It also gives your hair so much volume. Like I said, I have thin, fine hair, so getting volume in my hair is so hard. These two products make it so much easier. This is like my third or fourth bottle of these, I think. I love this product. Next is a hair mask. If you do have very thin, very fine hair, you want to be careful with a hair mask because it can weigh your hair down. I love a lot of different hair masks. The one I'm currently loving at the moment is the one from Unov. This is their Deep Damage Repair Hair Mask. This is a Korean hair mask. We all know at this point, Korean skincare, Korean hair care, it is just simply the best. This hair mask is like no other. You put it in your hair, you just wait like 2 to 5 minutes. I usually do about 5 minutes. Wash it out. Your hair is so silky soft. It is actually insane. And then I brush my hair a little bit in the shower. Oh my gosh, it feels like I am touching silk. Trust me on this product, it is so good. Second you get out of the shower, you're going to want to put your hair up into a microfiber towel. I didn't used to think that the type of towel you use on your hair makes a difference. It does. I got this microfiber towel off Amazon. I got it in a 2-pack. So I will just put my hair up into this microfiber towel. It helps it dry a little bit quicker, and it's also just really gentle on your hair. Love these. I'm hyper fixated right now on Erewhon matcha, specifically matcha from Erewhon, which I know just sounds so LA, but it's so good. Very minimal ingredients. The milk is literally just almonds and water, and I sweeten it with honey. So good. Now that we are out of the shower, we're gonna go into our post-shower hair care routine. I've been using this product since I think just out of high school, so that's like 10 years I've been using this product. It is so good. It's from Pureology. This is their Color Fanatic multitasking leave-in spray with 21 essential benefits. So it detangles your hair. It's also a heat protectant, and it does primes, protects, and perfects. It does so many different things. It leaves your hair feeling like glass. It is seriously the best. So I'll take some sprays of this onto my hand, almost out of this. Massage it into my hands and then put it onto my hair. When I apply it to my hair, I only apply it from about my ears down. I don't like to keep products up here because my hair gets very oily very fast. So keeping the product on the lower half of my hair helps my hair not get super oily. Plus, like I said, it's hard for my hair to get volume. So if I put the wrong product up here, we are not going to have the volume that we want. Next, we're gonna brush our hair. The type of hairbrush that you use truly does matter. This is the Tangle Teezer hairbrush. Like I said, I have thin, fine hair, so I do not want to lose any more strands. I don't want to make it thinner. So this does not pull out your hair. This is honestly one of the best hairbrushes in the entire world. Before I brush out my hair, I like to section my hair off into pieces. Got these cute little clips on Amazon, and I'll just clip my hair up like that. And then I'll work in sections to brush my hair out, starting at the bottom and then working my way to the top. See how I literally have no tangles? My hair is so easy to brush out. It is because of this hair mask and this combo. You will never see tangles a day in your life again. Work through the other sections. Just a little side note, this is super off topic, but I just wanted to share with you guys. I feel like we're building a cute little community here on my channel, and I'm very excited. It makes me super excited. So I just wanted to share with you guys that I'm going to be moving next month, and I'm still living in the same city. I live in Los Angeles, and I'm only moving 2 miles away, but it's a gorgeous condo, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along. Probably gonna be doing a moving vlog, so just stay tuned for that. Now that our hair is all nice and detangled, I like to go in with a blowout cream. This is the IGK Style Memory Blowout Cream. I love this stuff so much. Like I said, I have thin, fine hair, so I go in with just a teeny tiny bit of this, work it through my hair, and then I'll just go like this and kind of get the product that's left over at the top of my hair, but I mainly focus it here down. Before I was using this product, my blowouts would not last. Switched to using this product, now my blowouts last. Now that our hair is brushed out, there are no tangles, we are ready to blow dry. So I've gone through quite a few blow dry devices, is that what you want to call it? Hair dryers. And currently my favorite one is the one from Shark, and it's honestly just so easy to use. It's also really easy to travel with. I also just love the way it looks because it's gold and white, and it gives me the best blowout, so love her. It also comes on sale a lot during Prime Day. giveaway and just random sales that they'll have on Amazon. So you can definitely wait till this goes on sale and get it for a really good price. Now, before I start this blowout routine, let me preface this by saying I used to suck at blowouts, and because I used to suck at blowouts, this blowout routine is very, very easy. We're not using any hair rollers. We're not really using any clips. Like, it's very, very minimal, but it works. So just had to throw that out there. If you're expecting me to do like rollers and all that crazy stuff, it's not happening. This is simple, it is easy, and it works. Before I start blow drying my hair, I like to wait till my hair is about 70% dry. I would say this is about 70% dry. I could probably wait for it to get a little bit drier, but let's go in. The Shark blow dryer comes with these attachments. These are perfect for blowouts. They make your blowouts super, super easy. You guys just wait. This blowout is gonna be like the easiest routine you've ever seen. What I will do is turn the blow dryer on, point it downwards, and the hair dryer will suck your hair around the barrel. You're gonna leave this on for about 20 seconds and then turn the hair dryer off. Blowout is almost complete. Last and final step is to spray your whole entire head with touchable texture spray. This one is also from IGK. This is gonna make sure that your curls last as long as possible. And we're doing this before we brush out the curls. Now it is time to brush out the hair. I use the same hairbrush as before and I just brush through it. I love to brush my hair upside down. I feel like this just gives it volume. And there you have a beautiful, but most importantly, easy blowout. This technique is pretty much foolproof. It is so incredibly easy. It gives you the best blowout. Every single product I used in this video, I will have linked in the description below. I also use heatless curls to maintain my blowout through the week. So let me know if you want a tutorial on that. Bye.